Hey everyone, this is CS Gaikwad from HGPA Classes Pune. Well, let's talk regarding CA Inter in this video. Now, as everybody knows, CA Inter, the new syllabus which is launched by ICA, major amendments have taken place, major changes have taken place. Now you have 6 subjects, but सिर्फ बोलने के लिए 6 subjects हैं, उसमें बहुत कुछ है. But before I even start with CA Inter curriculum and what not and all, the foremost thing, the most important thing is जिन लोगों ने हमें CA फाउंडेशन दी है, now they are actually searching or rather thinking whether to join CA Inter right now, even before the results. Now there might be some students who are very confident, बहुत ही confident है कि हाँ मेरे पेपर बहुत ही अच्छे गए. Like there is no scope of failure. Yes, these people they can join CA Inter, the pre-result batches, and they can go ahead. But there will be many students who will be skeptical. मतलब नहीं sir, इतना we'll wait for the results. पेपर तो अच्छे गए, there's no doubt about it. But we'll wait for the results and then we'll start our CA intermediate journey, which I think is a more appropriate approach. But having said all of this, please do not skip the demo lectures, because demo lectures में आपको एक idea आ जाएगा कि who are the faculties, what exactly is CA intermediate, and you will be introduced to all these new subjects. For example, your taxation, your financial management, and so on. So we at HGPA Classes, we are coming out with the most biggest announcement for CA Intermediate. Now this batch is for November 24 examinations. Obviously for all the students जिन्होंने अभी CA Foundation examinations दिए December 23 में. Now all these batches are being conducted offline at PCMC at Degree Pradhikaran. We will be also streaming it live on our HGPA YouTube channel. But having said all of this, the dates are very important. The demo lectures is starting on the 5th of Feb 2024, because your results, tentative the date will be 15th of Feb, and the regular lectures for CA Intermediate and HGPA Classes will start from 19th of Feb onwards. So if you are there in or around PCMC area, and if you're searching for CA Intermediate, the demo classes, please do have a visit at our branch. The location, everything, the contact number is there in the description box. Do check it out. We all are available over there. Will be so if you want any guidance on CA Intermediate, you can come down with your parents also. There's no problem at all. Okay, and also please do enroll for the CA demo, the CA Inter demo lectures, so that we can register your name and your seat will be confirmed for this batch. Okay, thank you so much for watching and best of luck for your results.